Gareth, how are you?
Yeah, good.
A tough game the other night. I think you said afterwards, drawing in Slovakia made Croatia a must-win. I think plenty of fans have been trying to do the maths. It's perhaps not must-win. Does that change your approach?
No, it doesn't change our approach because I think every game we go into trying to win it. So for us as players, our mindset is always to win the game. So I think, you can't want to win more than you want to win. So we understand if we don't win, we understand the kind of permutations of what would happen. But we want to win the game. We want to win the group. We still want to, qualify as quick as we can. And I think, we'll obviously be aiming to do that.
Have you been in...
Pitanje je da li je veliki pritisak posle utakmice protiv Slovačke, da kaže da ima to uticaja, jer Wales mora da pobedi.
Have you been in each other's rooms then, on social media, with the pads out, trying to work out exactly what it's going to take? Because however it happens, the aim is to reach another major finals, isn't it?
Yeah, no, I haven't anyway, been in it, apart from Wayne's room. We haven't really been looking at it at the table too much, to be honest. I think we all know that if we win all the 3 games, then we should qualify. So, our mindset is that, to be honest. I think that's our ultimate aim, and as you said, we want to get to another major tournament and give it another go.
Praktički ima pritisak na društvenim mrežama, ali kao što smo rekli pre, mi moramo da pobedimo danas i nema druge.
Croatia, tough opponents. I don't think Wales have ever beaten them. You certainly haven't had the best of results when you've played. It'd be nice to get one over on someone you know very well in Luka Modric, I'm sure.
Yeah, no, of course. Whenever we play, we've always lost by 1 goal, so it's always been quite a tight game. We obviously know what a great team they are. They had a great World Cup, and they've shown year after year how good they actually are. So, but we know it's going to be very tough. But I think being at home gives us a little bit more of an advantage, and we know the Welsh crowd's going to be behind us like always, cheering us on, being the 12th man, and we've got to beat them at some point. So why not on Sunday?
Uvijek kad igramo, kad pobeđujemo sa 1 golom. Znamo da Hrvatska posle dobrog svetskog prvenstva da je dobar tim, ali mi ćemo da damo sve od sebe na ovoj utakmici.
I find it's a 50th cap, or should be a 50th cap, for Ben Davies. Someone you've played with for a long time, and someone who's always going to be in the Welsh history books for that goal line clearance against Slovakia. I'm sure
that was my fault as well. Thank you, Ben.
He's made his contribution to this side, hasn't he?
Ben's been fantastic since he's come in. He's been a consistent performer, and he's been fantastic. He just keeps improving every year, and we're lucky to have him here in the squad with us.
And you owe him 1 for Bordeaux then?
Don't tell him that, but yeah.
Ben Davies je odigrao 50 utakmica za nacionalni tim i kao što smo rekli da je veoma kvalitetan igrač i da će da zaigra sad protiv Hrvatske.
Obviously, a big game tomorrow. Obviously, we know that. But you've been part of the team that obviously beat Belgium at Cardiff City Stadium. How much does that help when you play big teams going forward and the mentality of the team?
Yeah, no, of course. We've had some great results against some big teams in our home stadium before, so that will be the plan again on Sunday. So it's obviously nice to have the experience and the know-how how to do it. But it's obviously a lot easier said than done. But we're gonna obviously prepare as best we can, and we'll give it our best go like we always do.
Obviously, the Wales team at the moment. Oh, sorry.
We always have good results, dobre rezultate na našem domaćem terenu i isto kao sad očekujemo na isti način da se to desi.
Ready? Yep. Obviously, the team is a mix of experience and inexperience. We know what players we're talking about. But for you as captain, how impressive have you been about the players, getting their first 1 or 2 caps?
Yeah, no, of course. it's not easy stepping up to international football, and obviously I know many years ago now how difficult it is. So yeah, it's about us experienced players helping them through, guiding them along, and being there for them on the pitch. And but at the same time, they're obviously in the team for a reason. They're good enough. They can play at this level, and yeah, obviously they've showed that since they stepped into the team.
Evo, kao Ben Davis, mladi igrač, ima tu iskustava i mi smo tu kao su igrači da pomognemo kao tim i tako da bi imao rezultat na kraju.
HRT Croatian Television. Can you tell us a few words about your relationship with Luka Modric? Have you been spoken before this game or anything?
No, we haven't actually spoken yet. Maybe there'll be a message later on, but no, obviously, yeah, we've played together for a long time in Tottenham and in Real Madrid, so we know each other quite well. But yeah, obviously, it would be nice to get one over on him finally, because yeah, they've beaten us a few times in the past.
Ja, bilo je pitanje da li je bio kontakt sa Lukom Modrićem. Rekao je da nije, ali vidjet ćemo kako bude.
Okay. Garrett, Vlado Boban, Nova TV Croatia. I saw you smiling in a good mood 4 months ago. I haven't seen you smiling in Osijek. How dangerous for Croatia is that your smile now? Are we have to afraid of you? That's the first question. And are you in better shape than 4 months ago?
Yeah, obviously I'm in a better place, I think physically more than anything, than I was in the summer, because I think leading into the game in the summer I hadn't played for maybe 5-6 weeks, so I wasn't physically fit, and yeah, wasn't particularly too happy. So yeah, I feel in better form now. I'm in physically better shape, so yeah, hopefully that'll make the difference come Sunday.
Pitanje je bilo, u Osijeku nije bilo puno osmeha, ali sad se osjećam mnogo bolje i bit će sve u redu pred ovu utakmicu.
Gareth, against Slovakia, you kind of played a wide role with a lot of defensive duties. You hoping to get a bit more kind of involved forward this time, and are you happy doing that kind of role?
Yeah, obviously it depends what the manager asks of the team, to be honest. Yeah, in an ideal world, I'd love to float around and do what I wanted, but that's not team football. So yeah, whatever the manager, whatever plan he comes up with and he asks us to do, then all us players on the pitch will be doing everything we can to help the team, not being selfish and doing what we want ourselves. So yeah, we just have to stick together as a group, and I think in the past, by being together, we've always succeeded better by doing that.
Pitanje je bilo da li je u redu da pristupim ako menadžer osjeća da je potrebno da bude u odbrani. Rekao je da je da, ali kao i svaki drugi igrač će da pristupi na taj način da pomogne tim.
Gareth, you had a heavy collision at the end of the game on Thursday. Are you 100% fit, and did you fear a potential red card in that incident?
Yeah, no, I'm fit. I'm fine. It's just a knock on the knee, which is fine. Just a bit of ice has sorted that out. But yeah, it was. I was more worried about getting sent off, to be honest. Just happy to get away with that one. But saying that, I didn't think the first one deserved a yellow. So yeah, I think it maybe evened itself out.
Pitanje je bilo da li je povredi pitanje, ali nije, ali više se plašio da ne dobije žuti karton.
Gareth, you want one booking away from a possible suspension. Will that change your mindset going into tomorrow?
Yeah, well, yeah, I suppose I can't make too many silly tackles or anything. So yeah, I have to be mindful of that, and yeah, I don't want to miss any games for Wales, and especially the crunch time of the group. So yeah, I guess I have to be clever with what I'm doing, but then maybe I've got to expect someone's going to try and wow me up to get me suspended. So, but yeah, I'm experienced enough to try and get through the period without picking up another booking. So yeah, hopefully that's the case.
Moram da budem pažljiv za svaki slučaj, da ne dobijem žuti karton i spreman sam na to. i moramo da budemo spremni kao svi igrači.
Gareth, obviously England had a bad result last night. Does that give a country like Wales, when they're playing an elite team like Croatia, I mean, it sort of proves that even on the world stage, even the best teams can lose to the unfancied teams. I mean, does that give Wales a boost for tomorrow?
No, not really. We know we've beaten big teams before, like we've spoken about. But yeah, we believe in ourselves. We think no matter who we come up against, we feel like we can come up with a plan to beat them. We feel we have great players, a great team, and yeah, the thing is, if we put in a great performance, we feel like we can beat anybody.
Mi smo spremni protiv bilo koga, igramo protiv kvalitetnog sastava Hrvatske i daćemo sve od sebe i verujemo u svoj kvalitet.
With the position Croatia are in the group and also recently reaching the World Cup final, do you see them as favourites for this match? And if so, is that an advantage as it takes a bit of the pressure off of you?
Yeah, you'd probably say they are favourites. They're one of the best teams in the world currently, and especially after their World Cup performance. So, but no, I don't think it changes anything. Obviously, whether we're the underdogs or not, we still have a plan on winning the game regardless of who we're playing. So, yeah, it doesn't make a difference kind of who we're playing. We're always going to set up to try and win the game, and yeah, that's always our plan.
Hrvatska je veliki favorit, ali ništa se ne promenjuje. Mi ćemo, kao što smo rekli, daćemo sve od sebe i vidjet ćemo na danu utakmice.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.